guys, Smooth Tech back here with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to flash the port from the Galaxy Note 3 to the Galaxy Note 2 on your Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Now this version I believe is only for Sprint variant of the Galaxy Note 2. So there you go, this is the ROM I'm currently running, is Android 4.4.2, and this is the Unicorn ROM. That way I could show you guys how to flash the Note 2 ROM on here. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot into recovery. And as you can see, the dirty Unicorn ROM. Now we're going to flash the Galaxy Note 3 port. This is going to be kind of a lengthy process because the ROM for the Galaxy Note 3 port is 1.1 gigabytes in download. So let's go ahead, jump in here. You're going to want to wipe all user data. Should be painless. Then you're going to want to wipe cache partition, and then go into advanced, go down to wipe Dalvik cache. You're going to wipe it. Then you're going to go back, install from zip or wherever you have it located, and I have mine under downloads, and it is the Z New Stock MK4 W Note 3. And I'm not going to cut this, I'm just going to let it run its course here. It may take a while for it to install. As I said, it is a pretty large file, so we're going to just go ahead and be patient and wait this out. The link will be down below in the description for this ROM. Go ahead and check out the link and go ahead and download the file and walk with me, follow me step by step through this process. That way you can get it done correctly. This fully works. It will not brick your device. At least it hasn't bricked mine. And I have flashed this ROM about 4 or 5 times, coming from other ROMs, trying out other things. And I have never gotten my device bricked or anything from this ROM. As long as you use the L900, I think you should be fine. Now if you use the Galaxy Note 2 from AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile even, it may not work. As I said, I believe this ROM only works for the Galaxy Note 2 from Sprint. Now I have seen a ported ROM for the Galaxy Note 2 from AT&T, but as I've said, I've only seen it for the AT&T Verizon variant, Sprint, and the unlocked one. So Verizon, T-Mobile fans, I'm sorry, I haven't seen a port for that version of the Galaxy Note 2 yet. But if I come across it, I will put up a link on my blog, and I will tweet about it. So follow me on Twitter and Google Plus to get that information out. And so we're still waiting here. This is the Android 4.3, as you can see right there. This is Android 4.3, not 4.4. So keep that in mind when you flash this ROM. It is an older version of Android, but it has all the Note 3 features. So there we go. We're done here. So we're going to go and reboot the phone. Now the first boot is going to take a little bit of time. It's going to take about a minute to a minute and a half for it to fully boot. But go ahead and wait, be patient, and you will have this ROM. go ahead and continue to wait for this to fully boot. Yes, using the rest. Got to use the restroom. What do you mean? Still waiting here. It should be done really soon. I just didn't want to cut any part of the video. I wanted you guys to be able to see the whole process of how you do this. That way you know how to go about doing this ROM. We're going on 6 minutes here, but it should be up pretty quick. Check out my other video. If you're watching this video for the first time, check out the other video on what the ROM is about. I'll be uploading a part 2 pretty soon because I found some new features that I didn't find when I originally looked at the ROM, and there's some pretty awesome features. So, like I said, stay tuned for that video to come out as well. Part 2, part 1, the link will be down below in the description. And also the links for my blog, my Twitter, and my Google Plus and Facebook will also be down below in the description as well. Do not be alarmed. Like I said, the first boot was going to take a while to boot in. And once you see these light up, that means it's basically ready to go. And the light is also out. And so it's about to boot into the operating system. Okay, so there we have it. It's booted into the operating system and it wants us to go ahead and set up the phone. I'm going to skip through most of this stuff for now. I'm just going to type in my first and last name here, that way I don't have to do this later on. Skip the Dropbox for now and finish. And there we go. And that's just telling us about our magazine if you slide up to the magazine. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings really quick. That way you see what we're running here. General, about phone. And as you can see, this is Android 4.3. This is the HP SP HL900. And there is the build, and that's when it was released. And so if you like this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Follow me on Google Plus, on Twitter, and like me on Facebook. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.